Hello, lifelong learners. Your friend Harvey Spencer welcomes you to AI for Teachers. Today's episode invites us to ponder an intriguing prospect. How can we leverage AI to foster equity and inclusivity in our classrooms? We observe diverse students in every class, each with unique strengths and challenges. Let's take a look at two fictional students, Liam and Mia. Liam, our math whiz, often waits for others to catch up during a lesson. Then, we have Mia. Bright and eager, Mia has a hearing impairment that can sometimes challenge her learning. How could AI transform their learning experiences? Envision a scenario where Liam can access challenging math problems explicitly designed by an AI. Meanwhile, Mia experiences lessons fully immersively, with AI translating the text into sign language or providing real-time audio content subtitles. This is the promise of AI, an inclusive and personalized learning environment that ensures every student shines. These AI tools are not only theoretical, they adapt to each student's learning speed and style, keeping them engaged and challenged. AI systems can identify their strengths and offer complex exercises for high achievers like Liam. For those needing additional support, AI can provide tailored resources and learning aids, even simulating real-time interactions to keep them involved. This isn't fiction, it's happening now. Students at New York University's Tandon School of Engineering have developed a prototype of an augmented reality app that translates sign language for hearing people. Google has developed an AI that does the same, making communication seamless. These tools may sound like science fiction, but they're real and transforming how we teach and learn. But, like all significant advancements, they come with challenges. Ethical considerations and the digital divide are concerns we need to address. As educators, we are the architects of the future. We cultivate a garden of diverse learners. With AI, each plant in our garden receives the care and attention it needs to thrive. We're not merely teachers, but pioneers navigating the frontiers of educational technology. AI doesn't replace our role, it's enhanced. So what ethical boundaries should we be aware of? How can we ensure AI is used responsibly and beneficially? Join us in our next episode as we delve deeper into these critical questions. Before we sign off, we'd love to hear from you. Have you used AI to foster inclusivity and personalization in your classrooms? We invite you to share your experiences and questions during our episode Q&A. Remember, our journey with AI is an exciting exploration toward creating an inclusive, empowering learning environment for all students. As we navigate this landscape, AI serves as our compass. Keep teaching, keep inspiring, and let AI be our catalyst for change. Until next time, this is Harvey Spencer, signing off from AI for Teachers. Stay inspired, keep making a difference, and I'll see you in our next episode.